Good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we discussed about what is a cron tab and where and all we can use this cron tab and what is the cron tab syntax, what are the commands and what are the examples. Okay, so these are the things we discussed in the previous video. So in this video, I will cover how we can automate, how to schedule that particular script and a particular command using cron tab. And time being, the cron tab it's a cron table. So in DevOps or in day-to-day activities, if you want to automate something, example, we have written a couple of scripts for schedule them into the particular time or particular date. So someone need to trigger, or we need to be standby and we need to trigger manually. So instead of standby or instead of scheduling manually, there are a couple of features are available. So one of the feature which is called Crontab, so which we can use to schedule the job or script particular time which is required. Okay, so the minimum Crontab duration is it will be triggered only every minute. You cannot run the script or job every second. It is not possible. Okay, so we can schedule it every minute, every hour, every day, every month, every year. That is based on our requirement. Okay, the syntax and cron tab. So the first one is minutes, hours, day of the month of the year, day of the week, and we need to give the script or command which we need to trigger. Let's play this in the real time, how we can schedule it. So this is the server A. Here I have written one small script which we discussed in the previous video, so which is called rsync. How we can sync the files or directories from one server to another server. So this is the server A and this is the server B. Okay, so I'm planning to sync between server A to server B. Okay, so now what I need to do, so I have to open this script vam rsync. Here you can see this is the default shell interpreter and this is called date. So I will explain all these variables while discussing the scripting part. And echo, just I am display that date, source path, destination path, log directory, username of the destination server IP address, and rsync command. This is the options we discussed already. And source path, destination username, destination IP address, and destination path. Okay, so this is the command which we have to. So what I have to do, I have to create that source path mkdir test. Go to inside the test directory. Then after that, I need to do touch space F1, F2, F5, F6. Okay, I have created. And you can check here. Go to here. Then after that, Crontab space -e. See, already there are two jobs are there. I'm going to delete this. The Crontab space -lc. There are no cron jobs for the DevOps user. And if you can go to the destination server, there is a test directory is there. I'm going to remove this test directory. Here, home DevOps is the destination director. And you can see curl space -s if config.me. This is the destination server IP. That's what I have given in the script. You can go and edit this rsync script. You can search this. See here, that is the destination server IP I have given. This is just a simple command actually. I can align all these variables in the next command. I will show you later. So now I have created the source path and I have created that destination server IP and username I have given. Now what I need to do, I can automate this script. So Crontab space -e, I need to edit it. Then I can put initially star 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 star. Then I need to give the script path rsync.sh. The script is available in the home DevOps rsync.sh. This is the location. This is called minutes, hours, and month of the year, day of the week. This will be running on every minute once. Okay. Here again shows the syntax is wrong. Second. So now what we need to do? So rsync.sh. I'm going to save this. So the moment when we can save, see the test2, if we can go here, it will be sync automatically. The cron tab only schedule the rsync job. Wait for 1 minute and we can see here automatically this sync will be happening. Not doing anything, just we can schedule the rsync.sh script by using Crontab. Here, see here it got synced. Okay. That's every minute. What we can do for testing, we can go to the test folder again. Now I'm going to click touch space rel1, rel2, two files I have created again. Now if you can go and verify. So after 1 minute, if you can check date, now 17:45, let's see. So after 1 minute, those will be synced automatically. So this is how, if you want to schedule the scripts or if you want to schedule the commands, it will be taken care of automatically. Or even we can schedule the commands also actually. And one more thing, I am planning to write one more script. See here, rel1, rel2 only copied actually. Okay. So I'm planning to do one more thing. Here, I'm going to write something. One more script which is called copy any file or directory by using SCP also. So Crontab, Crontab and -e. Now if you can see -l means there is a one cron job is there, which is called rsync.sh. And -u, if you can enter, see here, -u means it's a username. You have to put your username. Example, if you can put the DevOps. Now if you can come to actually. So because DevOps doesn't have that permissions actually, I will let you know later how to do that. Okay. So now what we need to do, Crontab space -e, enter. I am putting YY and P copying again. Here what I need to do, I can put one command actually. Okay. So what this command will do, SCP RP. Okay. Here I am putting /home/ here I can put DevOps. Then after that you can put anything actually. Rel I am putting release DevOps @ then you have to go to that server B and you can check the IP address. Take this IP address, you can put it here, then home DevOps /Venkat. Okay. So what this will do, SCP space -RP. First, it will take from the source a release directory. That release directory is copying to the home Venkat, home DevOps Venkat destination directory. Okay, which is called home DevOps Venkat. Let's see how it works. So here first I need to do, I need to create mkdir release. Then after that, Here I should have to create mkdir Venkat. Go to that Venkat. Here nothing is there. You can see here. So wait for after a minute. It's supposed to be copied text. So how to track all those things? We can use a log file. We will check later that log file also while scripting. But time being, we need to know how to automate. The first automation is how to sync the directories from one server to another server by using rsync script. And second thing is, this is script I have written for syncing between that. Second thing is, I am executing single command actually. So here, see here, automatically release directory. Okay. Even if you can go to that inside release directory, nothing is there. Go to the source release directory. You can create something. Okay. Touch space, release 1, release 2, release 3. So now see I have created 3 release files actually. Now if you can go to here cd release. So I was there in the inside cd release only. So if we want to do auto trigger any script or any command, we can use Crontab. It will be scheduled. But if you want to automate something, there are few prerequisites. One is called we need to do SSH connectivity. Then only the script should be taken care of. Automated. See here, it is automated. Automatically it is copied. Okay. So this is how we can use to do cron job actually. I can give a couple of syntaxes for cron. So as I told, star, 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 star. Okay, then you can give here our command. Okay, so this will be scheduled on every minute once. Okay, this will be scheduled on every minute. And if you can go here, this will be scheduled on, if you can put 0 here, this will be scheduled on every 1 hour ends. Okay, every 1 hour. And if you can go to here, if you can put here 0 again, this is 12 AM it will be scheduled. And the next thing is, if you can see, if you want to run at 3:30, so you can use 3 and you can put 30. 30 is the minutes, 3 is the hours. So this will be scheduled that script or command at 3:30. So example, if you want to running a command or script every month first at 3:15 AM. So see here, if you want to run at 3:15 every month first. So what this will do, 15 is the minutes, 3 is the hour AM, and 1 is every month first. Okay, so this script or command will be triggered every month first at 3:15 AM. So then the next thing is, every 5 minutes if you want to run, you can put this is a syntax also. Suppose every 5 minutes means, so you can put it as a, the first one is star, star 5, you can use star star. This will running on every 5 minutes actually. And suppose if you want to run, we need to run the script every Monday, Wednesday and Friday 8 AM. Suppose here this is called week actually. In this week, Monday means 1, 3 means Wednesday, and 5 means it's a Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, if you want to trigger this 9 AM, so you can use, this is the script actually. So this script will be every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 AM, this script should be run. Okay. There are different examples are there. If you want to run, okay, 15 minutes of every hour. In every hour, we need to run 15 minutes. See here example, the first thing is 0. Then after that you should have to divide it with 15. Then after that 30. Then after that 45. So in 1 hour, every 15 minutes this will be triggered. If you want to trigger every 20 minutes means 20, 40 like this. Okay. So and the like this there are different examples are there. So there are one more thing. If you want to schedule the job, okay, Monday to Friday at 5 p.m. So Monday to Friday means week here only comes. So Monday to 1 to 5 means it's a Monday to Friday. Then after that here you should have to put, it's a 5 p.m. means you can put, okay, 0 and 5 means here I can put 17, okay, like this. Should be running on Monday to Friday 5 p.m. 17 means, okay. So like this there are different are there, different examples are there, you can go through it. And if you want to run, you know, every year set, okay, every year if you want to run, you can put yearly, monthly, like that also we can define it. So suppose say example, if you can put yearly means yearly, then you should have to put script or CMD we need to put. And even if you can put month also, it run once a month at midnight. Okay, so these are the couple of examples, and these two scripts are very important. I will give the couple of scripts also, but make sure rsync is, if you want to go to that rsync, there are one more command is that this is normal command which we used. If you want to do for that rsync, these are the option. Star means it will pick up from the source path, and $username means username is the variable. Here see username, and dollar is the, if you want to call that variable we need to use the dollar before, and at the rate username at the rate, that's what here we have given. IP address means dest IP address, this is the variable again we defined here. Dest IP address, this is the IP address. If you want to call this variable again, IP address, if you want to call dollar, then IP address we have called. Then colon dollar path, destination path. Dest path is the variable. If you want to call the variable again, dollar we can use it. And this is the log path. We need to see the log actually. Even same thing will happen if you can put this script also. So we'll discuss in depth while discussing that shell script. Now if you can go to the CD test, now see whether that is working or not. ls space xnlrt space prod1, prod2, prod3. Now if you can go to the server, now if you can see whether that will be DevOps CD test 1. Prod1, prod2 should come automatically. So we need to aware how to write the script, and here we need to learn two things: how to schedule the Crontab, and we need to know the syntax, and how to write the script. See here prod1, prod2, prod3. Okay, so this script is very important. This is called rsync, so which we can use to automatically sync between the two directories. Rsync. This is a script actually. You can go through this script. If any doubts, could you please ping me in my channel? I will explain. So even I kept that log also. What is happening we can come to know with help of this log. See here, this log, this is the only log. It will be taken care of. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If any doubts, could you please ping me in my channel? Could you please like, share and subscribe?